Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a quick analysis on some random pairs. I haven't checked the market for a couple of days now, so what I'm going to be doing today is just going to be me just jumping into the market after a couple of days of not checking. So it's going to be as random as possible. So I'm just going to be picking up random pairs. Okay, and do not take any of these as confirmations or signals. There are possibilities market could change direction upon opening. So just take them as educational content and also make sure you compare with your analysis. So yeah, it is what it is. So let's jump onto the chart briefly. So currently we have what pair is this? USD JPY. Right. So let's start with USD JPY. What I'm gonna do today, I am not going to be teaching like I'm teaching a beginner. So I'm just going to run through the analysis, get my bias, my direction, and yeah, that's it. Right. So looking at this, let's start with it. Let's start from the daily time frame. Right. Let's start from the daily to see the overall. Dollar has been weak, yo. Dollar has been weak. Right. So we've seen a rally, retracement, rally, retracement. Dollar is weak. Right, so far, so what I'm going to do, looking at the daily time frame, I am going to pick up, I'm going to try and identify my level first. Let me pick it from here. I'm going to pick it from here, from this spin it top candle. So, right, so, okay. And, yeah. Now, overall, dollar is bearish, but then we have dollar at our demand level, at our daily level. So if we narrow down to the 4 hour time frame, in confluence with that, we have our pivot, we have this aggressive push, then we do have this daily pin bar, right? Which could be bias creeping in. So looking at this right now, I'm trying to watch out how market would react around this level. You can as well just draw your zone as modify it as much as you want. It's up to you or how you see the market. So if I go to the 1 hour time frame, let me see what I'm gonna do. So on the 1 hour time frame, now at this point we've already identified our level. So I don't like too much dramas on my chart. I'm gonna take this out. We have this supply here, right? This. So this is interesting. And this has been taken out, right? This has been taken out here. So what I want to see is now, I'm going to refine it a little bit, uh, something like this, right? So I would like to see a little bit of push, something like this maybe, into this level, then further sell continuation on dollar. So this right here is going to be like my POI, my point of interest on dollar. So where's my POI? POI. Okay. So I expect I might capitalize on a quick buy to this level here upon market opening. It depends on what I see because we could also see market form something like this. You never can tell what market is going to do. You could see market first form something like this a little bit, then come back here, then form something like this, then boom to the upside. So that way, if this happens, for instance, or it's gonna just be like my double top, sorry, my double bottom, and this is then gonna be like my change of character. Right? This is gonna be like my change of character here. Then take my entries, or maybe depending on what I see around this level when I see a double bottom, I might take a buy from here. But I'm hoping to see market extend to the upside before we see further sell continuation to the downside, right? So with that being said, that is it with uh, how did I really take this out? That is this with USD JPY. Now let's look at something else. Let's look at Euro NZD, one of my favorite pairs. You know, guys, I like USD. Sorry, guys. Where is it? Euro NZD. Yo, what's happening? Right. So I'm gonna clear this out. Yeah, I was meant to take Euro NZD actually uh last week, but yeah. So as usual, let's go to the daily. Looking at this on the daily time frame, we also have something like this, right? It's always advisable to start from the daily so that you can understand the overall direction. So we have our daily uh, level here, and as you can see, on Thursday, uh, the sellers try to push price to the downside. It exhausted. They got exhausted, and the tires try to push it a little bit more. The second day on Friday, they did the same thing. So we're seeing more like a buying pressure on this currency pair on the daily time frame. So, and also if you look at that, on a daily, it's kind of looking like a pattern. A lot of you guys might not trade pattern. For me personally, I look at everything. I don't ignore anything. I don't like to ignore nada. So because I have a broad knowledge of a lot of things, so I just put everything into consideration. So we have something like a bullish flag right here. Well, that's for people that trade retail. If you don't, you're a smart money trader. Good for you. But yeah, we all know what this means. Like bullish flag. It's like a bullish pattern. Okay. So I'm gonna take that up. Then quickly. So now, as you can see from the daily time frame, we're looking for buyers, right? Let's then narrow down to the 4 hour to see what we do have. Right, we do have this. Okay. And should I take this out? Because I don't like my charts to be messy. Now let's look at this. Right, right. Okay, let me make it easier. Let me use a line. So I'm trying to approach something. All this liquidity is here. They're being taken. Right? No, mistake. Liquidity is here. A lot of people took buys from here. They've been taken by this. So what we then need to focus right now on is this market, this this what's the word for it? This level, this area share, whatever it is. So we want to look for our entry. So what do we need to look for in order for us to get our trade? You can see market's been trading and respecting this level. Even right here, it gave us a massive rejection. So we don't want to be taking a buy just now. In my own opinion, let's load to the 1 hour first to see what we do now. So in my opinion, this is what I want to see. There are several ways to approach it, right? Before anything, we also have identified this level here. Now, looking at this level right now, we have like looking at this chart, we have something that looks like head and shoulders, right? We have the head, the left shoulder, and also we could have a potential right shoulder here. No, sorry, not that. We could have a potential right shoulder around here, then break this level right here, come back for a retest, then go to the upside more. Then if that's going to be the case, we're going to be looking to target uh maybe this level here. I'm going to mark this level out first, which is also in confluence with the pivot. Then overall, I might be looking at something around here too. But these are just the two levels I'm looking at. So that could be our scenario one, right? Uh, the right shoulder formation You can take a buy from the right shoulder formation, or if you want to be extra safe, wait for this level, this structure to be broken. A retest of it, then a continuation to the upside. Or maybe you never can tell if that right shoulder decided to extend lower. You can then pick out this as your new level, as a new point of interest. Okay. But in this case, you also need to watch closely because we have a bunch of liquidities here. So market might want to take out some liquidity here, then boom, then take your early entry to the upside. So this is pretty much what I'm looking at on Euro US, Euro NZ. Not what I'm looking at, what I will be looking at because I'm just checking the charts right now. So this is this with this one. Euro NZD. And what other currency pair do we have? I have this pair is too choppy for me. I'm not sure if I want to analyze it. It's too choppy. I don't like it. So what else? What else? What else? Let's look at Euro USD. Right on USD JPY, we're looking for where's USD JPY? We should have checked the XY first, actually. Where's USD JPY? Yep. Right. So okay, we've done USD JPY. We're looking for buy opportunities. So Euro NZD. Let's see if it aligns, right? Then let's go back to the daily time frame one more time. Okay. Now looking at the daily time frame. All right. Interesting. The good thing is I already marked some of the charts already. I've already mapped a lot of things out on it. Right. So market reacted to this level. We're seeing sellers getting into the market. So let's go to the 4 hour. Oh, I'm getting hot. I think the heater is on. Right. Look at that. This looks like a more like a not necessarily. Then I'm gonna take this out. We're gonna use this. I like lines. Mhm. It just makes things so cool. Mm. So looking at Euro USD, we have like a double top here. And double top is also like a reversal signal. So do I have any signal that indicates I want to continue selling? Looking at this price action, not really. We have this push, this level. This one is taking out the structure is broken here. Extend this and that. Now let's go to the 1 hour to see. I don't want to be going deeper in analysis because market is about to open. I want to drop this video before market opening. So I'm pretty much looking for where can we look for sorry, a sell. Now into this level right here. But before anything, I also want to, if in case I get my sell, where am I going to be looking now to secure my profits? Maybe somewhere around here, level one. Right. So looking at this, oh, I'm dizzy. We might want to see a pull into this level, then to this level. Depending on how what I see around here will determine if I want to continue holding, right, or I want to scale up. But for now, I'm just going to look at. Let's go to the 30 minutes. Right. So I would have picked this level on a 30-minute time frame, or it's already been mitigated. This level right here. Yeah, I would have picked this on the 30-minute, or I'm no longer going to use it because it has been mitigated by this week. So this level is not really a significant level anymore. So you can see as it pulled into this level, it dropped massively. So the next level I'm going to be looking at, uh, point of interest would be what I picked out on it on a on a 1 hour time frame, then continuation to the downside. Hopefully it goes this way. I'm gonna stop now because I want to drop this video. We have 1 hour before market opening. Um, I am going to be watching this, right? Like I said, there are no ready-made signals. This is just what I'm looking at the moment. There are possibilities market could change direction upon opening. So if you are a new subscriber, please subscribe, like, comment if you have to, and also you can check me out on Instagram fx.professor. And I wish you guys a successful and profitable week ahead. Have a good one, guys. Bye.